I'm going to show you how to upload a video to ScreenPal for free. And I just adore ScreenPal. As you can see, I have a ton of trainings in here, from a couple minutes to 3-hour videos, all for free, hosted for free. It's also where I host a lot of my videos for my courses, which is neat. And you can put passwords on it and all kinds of other stuff. Although I think the password stuff is paid, but you can make it unlisted, which is what I do. So you can divide, put in folders, all that good stuff. So I'm going to click create. I'm going to go to upload content, and then I am going to upload a video. So I made this create a printable video. It's 20 minutes and it's going to upload. Once it's uploaded, then I'm going to grab the URL and be able to share it wherever I want. I can share it on a course, I can share it in an email, I can share it on a blog or Facebook or literally anywhere, which is really cool. You can share it just to one person. You can create quizzes. It's so awesome. So that's it. That is how you upload a video into ScreenPal.